kindly take your seats. A very good morning, dignitaries on and off the dais, parents, faculty members, supporting staff, students, and everyone present here. I, Professor Prajakta Patil, on behalf of the Mechanical Engineering Department, KLS GIT, welcome you all to the 8th Graduation Day ceremony and the Toppers Felicitation function. Today is the day of celebration, pride, and joy as we honor the achievements of our graduating students and recognize the outstanding performance of our department toppers who have excelled in their academic journey. Let us begin this auspicious occasion with an invocation song. I now call upon Ms. Archana Deshpande to invoke the Almighty.
ಲೋಲಲೋಚನೆ ತಾಯಿ ನಿರುತ ನಂಬಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಲೋಲಲೋಚನೆ ತಾಯಿ ನಿರುತ ನಂಬಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿಸಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದು ಶಾರದೆಯನ್ನ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಬಾರದೆ ಅಕ್ಷರಕ್ಷರ ವಿವೇಕವು ನಿನ್ನ ಕುಕ್ಷಿಯೊಳಿರೇಳು ಲೋಕವು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ರೂಪದಿಂದ ಒಲಿದು ರಕ್ಷಿಸು ತಾಯಿ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ರೂಪದಿಂದ ಒಲಿದು ರಕ್ಷಿಸು ತಾಯಿ ಪಾಲಿಸಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದು ಶಾರದೆಯನ್ನ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಬಾರದೆ ಸರ್ವಾಲಂಕಾರದಯ ಮೂರುತಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣವ ಸ್ತುತಿಸುವೆ ಕೀರುತಿ ಗುರುಮೂರ್ತಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಸ್ತುತಿಸುವೆ ಗುರುಮೂರ್ತಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಸ್ತುತಿಸುವೆ ಪಾಲಿಸಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದು ಶಾರದೆಯನ್ನ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಬಾರದೆ. Thank you.
Thank you, Archana. To set the tone of today's event, it is my pleasure to invite Dr. Harshit Kulkarni, HOD Mechanical Engineering Department, KLS GIT, to deliver the welcome address.
Distinguished Chief Guest, Shri Vipul Shah, Principal, Dr. M.S. Patil, Senior Grade Professor, Dr. Mahantesh Nadkatti, Senior Professor, Dr. Anupama Kallol, proud parents, respected faculty, and most importantly, the graduating students as well as the toppers of first to fourth year engineering. Good morning to one and all. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today as head of the department Mechanical Engineering. I deem it an honor and privilege to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest Shri Vipul Shah, Managing Director and Industrial Advisor, Maverick Success Engineering Technologies and former Vice President of Bharat Forge. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invite and gracing this momentous occasion today in spite of your tight, busy schedule. Welcome you, sir, for this function. I take this opportunity to extend a hearty welcome to our principal, Dr. M.S. Patil, who has always been a great support and motivation to take the department to greater heights. Welcome you, sir. I welcome our senior professors, Dr. Mahantesh Nadkatti, Dr. Anupama Kallol, AME Coordinator for the function. It's my pleasure to welcome all the deans, other department HODs, faculty and support staff of Mechanical Department for the function. Mechanical engineering is a discipline rooted in innovation and practicality. You all graduating students have learned to think critically and creatively, not just to understand the world around you, but to reshape it. You have designed, tested, and refined solutions to real-world problems. Today, you no longer are students, but you are engineers, equipped with the tools and knowledge to make a meaningful impact. To our graduating students, I want to welcome you and congratulate you all on reaching this significant milestone. The journey you have taken has been filled with challenges, intense learning, and moments of doubt. But here you are, standing tall and ready to take on the world. Also, a special mention of excellent placements that this batch has achieved in prime companies. Let's have a big round of applause for all of you. I welcome all the graduating students today and the toppers for this function. Of course, none of this would have been possible without the dedication and guidance of our incredible faculty and staff at Mechanical Department and the college. To my colleagues in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, I welcome you all and thank you for your tireless efforts in shaping the next generation of engineers. Your commitment to teaching, research, and mentoring has helped these students reach their potential, and for that I am deeply grateful. Welcome all the faculty. Today is again a special day for welcoming our toppers. I welcome all the toppers for this felicitation program and the proud parents of all the toppers of first to fourth year engineering. To the parents, families, and friends who have supported our graduates, your encouragement and understanding and the sacrifices have been invaluable. Behind every successful student who is graduating today is a support system that has nurtured their dreams and aspirations, and today's success is as much yours as it is theirs. Special welcome to all the proud parents for this function. Dear graduates, today is a momentous day which marks the beginning of your career as engineers. You are prepared, you are capable, and you are ready. Most importantly, please remember to respect your parents, your teachers, and elders. Please take care of them throughout and go forward with confidence that you have, and everything will be at your success. Congratulations to the batch of 2024. We are incredibly proud of each one of you, and we look forward to seeing the incredible contributions you will make as you embark on the next phase of your journey. Once again, I take this opportunity to welcome one and all present over here for this ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those kind words. We are truly honored to have with us today Shri Vipul Shah, the chief guest of today's momentous occasion. I now call upon Dr. Tushar Haval to introduce our chief guest.
Good morning, everyone. It is my distinct honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Shri Vipul Shah, sir. Welcome, sir. Mr. Shah is a highly accomplished and energetic leader with over 39 years of experience in the automotive and industrial sectors. His career is marked by consistent success in establishing, streamlining, and growing businesses both domestically and internationally. His expertise spans a wide functions including project management, vendor or client relationships, strategic business development, and he also has a proven track record of successfully executing complex projects within tight deadlines and resource constraints, as evidenced by significant achievements as Bharat Forge as an ex-vice president. Okay. There he saw the establishment of lightweight technologies, which are very crucial for the future EV technologies in the aluminum industry. His leadership also extended to successfully setting up greenfield project within a single year and developing a dedicated center for these crucial technologies. He holds a PG MBA in finance from the Kazian School of Management and an advanced certificate in HR management from the same institution. He is also an alumni of KLS Gogte Institute of Technology, who completed his mechanical engineering in the year 1984. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to our proud alumni and distinguished chief guest, Mr. Vipul Shah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. M.S. Patil, Principal KLS GIT, to present a token of respect and gratitude to Shri Vipul Shah. Thank you, sir. May I now call upon Ms. Mitali to do the floral welcome to our dignitaries on the dais. To Dr. M.S. Patil, Principal KLS GIT. To Dr. Harshit Kulkarni, HOD Mechanical Engineering Department. To Dr. M.M. Nadkatti, sir. To Dr. Anupama Kallor, ma'am. Thank you, Mitali. To motivate and inspire us, may I now invite Shri Vipul Shah to address the gathering.
Professor Patil and all KLS societies, dignitaries, professors, team members, it is my pleasure that I have been invited here. I completed my engineering in the year 1984 as first rank mechanical engineer. And after that, I have completed almost 40 years of my career, where I have been associated with companies like Bajaj Auto, Bharat Forge, Sigma Electric Manufacturing Corporation. So these were all majority of companies where I specialized my activity as aluminium growth, lightweighting in aluminium. And that is what is happening for the future also. That is all electric vehicle which are coming up. They are all going to have lightweighting. So how the journey has been going and how it is further going to grow. When there was a time, all the vehicles were having steel, cast iron. And from there, it moved to little bit of, two-wheeler, four-wheeler era, where aluminium components were required. Time came where aluminium became little important. Now, future, again it is becoming very important, is Euro 6 and Euro 7 norms will be coming. And there the pollution norms are required to be controlling certain gases, and for that vehicle has to be lightweight. Why I am telling this is, after becoming mechanical engineer, many of the engineer has the feeling that mechanical engineering era has gone. Now only IT is the era. There we can work. It is nothing like that. Mechanical engineering is never going to die. If mechanical engineering is there, then all other engineerings are there. You just think, new technology coming in vehicle, all electronics, IT and everything will be coming. Like earth moving equipment, new technology coming in, okay, electronics and other things are required. But finally, if you just think mechanical engineering is not there, no other people will require the job. Therefore, mechanical engineer should be proud. The second most important thing which generally happens, many parents must have put lot of their hard-earned money, inspiration, that my child should get a very, very good assignment. It's not that important. Then just if you are getting a good assignment, move ahead with that. Nurture that. Sky is the limit. When I will give only my example, when I was an engineer, I from here moved to Pune. And my many colleagues got job. Those were more white collar job than mine. I was in aluminium foundry. Every day when I will go back home, my clothes will be dirty. Their clothes and everything, they will never get dirty. They have a more white collared job, and they are, you feel too ashamed. Arey, what I am doing? But with time, those things went off, and you put your effort. Initially, if you have done that, dirtying your hands, dirtying your clothes, and learning, that is very, very important. This is something in today's era, it is missing. Children don't want to dirty their hands. We in automobile industry find many people are not available because they have given a hand job. Everybody wants a job where IT, I am doing something with computer, but if you have learned first 3-4 years by hand that what is technology, what is engineering, how it has to be done, it may give a very, very long way and things can go on. I am a SAP, many people of you knowing SAP expert. So it is not like that only electronics people or IT people can do the job. You can also do it, but once you had learned the engineering and then do the job, so what you are doing, you will be knowing well. Today, in many cases, we find people program something which is not engineered, and then comes problem. So that is why I say, next, just students have got the certificate to go in the market. Now next 5 years, you see to it, you excel in your field, and then real fruits will be coming. It's very simple, like a tree is there, it is planted now. It requires good seeds to see to it, it grows well. Coming to the next point, we are always in rat race. We don't want to stick our job. I got a better job. I got a better job. I want to move. Please don't do that. We have to see to it. We have to respect your promoters who has given you a chance that you want to move away. Give him a fair time and you can go. But my way will be, this is what I was telling, within 3 years you will be coming to the first point, and that will be always good. I have about 20,000 people working under me, and I have seen when recruitment is there, we get so many resumes where the students have done 1 year, again 1 year, again 1 year. Let me tell you, when we see this guy is not consistent, we reject that resume, because it's not going to help to the organization. So therefore, you have to see to it you remain associated with your organization. And now I'll give you the next point, which is totally against to it. After 5-6 years of working with one organization, when you are really recognized and everything, you can start looking for new opportunity and you can slowly jump over there. You will say, why it is like that? When you are with the organization for 4 or 5 years, first thing, you also become little bit yourself proud and lazy. That now everything is set, I have nothing to do. And same way, college, institute people also feel now I have a great guy there, so nothing to worry. But that time you stop your growth. If people who have real feeling that I want to grow again and again, you have to keep moving with the time. You cannot remain in one place for more than 5 years. And that is what is going to make. Coming to the next point, we never respect our subordinates. I am better. We are always in a hide and seek game. I will not show him this. Why I should be doing this? In this world, nothing is permanent. More you will train your colleagues, more you will grow. If you don't train your colleagues, you don't have any chance to grow. So therefore, you have to always keep that in mind. We work hard. We work with a very good teamwork and discipline. In India, the next point comes is we are totally not disciplined. Once we have achieved one position, we start working our way and we forget all disciplines. So those should be also avoided. The future for this team, students, is very, very great. I can only tell you this much, that you have learned so many things in this college which we never learned it. Today, in mechanical engineering faculty itself is about 45 professors. In our time, we had 22 professors inclusive of all faculties. We had no labs. You have been trained well. So you are going to do great provided you are disciplined, willing to work anywhere. Don't discriminate yourself. I will work here, I will not work there, I will do this, I will do that. It's not going to help. If you want to grow, any one of you who is having struggle after 3-4 months that not able to get a good job, can always approach people like us. Now we are, the senior people, and we can always recommend some people to see to it he gets an assignment. It will be a great thing for the college also, from where we got graduated and from where today we are here. And for you also a justice that we have done some justice to these students. So with all this note, if anybody has any question, can ask question and I can answer it. All the best to all the students, their proud parents, and my request to proud parents, keep your students, children on toe that this is not the end of journey, this is the start of journey. So they have to work hard for next 5 years. Competition is really up. So only survival of fittest is going to take place. Thank you very much. And anybody of you has any question? No one has question. Means I said anything and everything was waste. Somebody should have some question. So, no problem. If in crowd you cannot speak, I am still there for 1 more hour. Anybody has any queries, I am there to answer his queries. And mechanical engineering, once again I am telling, is the great line, great future, and it's going to do the best. And to making it best, this is a team here, it has to make it best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those motivating words. Today, we have come together to honor the remarkable achievements of our outstanding students whose dedication, hard work, and perseverance have brought them to the pinnacle of academic excellence. Let us now begin with the felicitation of our department toppers for the academic year 2023-24. I request Shri Vipul Shah to do the honors, and I also request our dignitaries on the dais to join the toppers' felicitation. Mr. Nikhil Deepak Prabhu, first rank, B first year, and the recipient of cash prize of Rs 10,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. Mr. Meet Parappannavar, second rank, B first year, and the recipient of cash prize of Rs 8,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. Mr. Anuj Ghatge, third rank, B first year, and the recipient of cash prize of Rs 5,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. Ms. Pragati Demji, first rank, B second year, and the recipient of cash prize of rupees 10,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. She is also the recipient of scholarship instituted by Shri S.G. Shirgurkar in the name of late Shri G.D. Shirgurkar for the year 2023-24. Ms. Shrushti Lakkar, second rank, B second year, and the recipient of cash prize of rupees 8,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. Ms. Purti Janmatti, third rank, B second year, and the recipient of cash prize of rupees 5,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. Mr. Harshvardhan, first rank, B third year, and the recipient of cash prize of rupees 10,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. Mr. Rupesh Hulikeri, second rank, B third year, and the recipient of cash prize of rupees 8,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. Mr. Ganesh Pattan Shetty, third rank, B third year, and the recipient of cash prize of rupees 5,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. Mr. Enric D'Souza, first rank, B fourth year, and the recipient of cash prize of rupees 10,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. Mr. Rakesh Terani, second rank, B fourth year, and the recipient of cash prize of rupees 8,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. Mr. Kayum Faniban, third rank, B fourth year, and recipient of cash prize of 5,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT in absentia. Mr. Pratik Padgar, first rank, first year MTech in machine design, and the recipient of rupees 1,000 instituted by the management of KLS GIT. Thank you, dignitaries, for doing the honors. On behalf of everyone, I wish to extend my sincere gratitude to the management of KLS GIT for rewarding our meritorious students with the cash prizes, which will surely motivate them to do better and better in future. Thank you. Congratulations, dear department toppers, on your well-deserved success and remarkable achievement. You have worked hard and your determination has set a shining example to others to follow. Today, we celebrate not just your success, but also the countless hours of dedication and efforts that led you here. You have made your families, mentors, and department and the institution proud. Moving on to the PDC distribution, the most awaited movement of our graduates. Today, we come together to celebrate the achievement of our graduating students, a milestone that marks the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and growth. Today is not just about celebrating achievements, but it's about embracing new beginnings.
Good morning to one and all present here. I, Professor Pradnya Kulkarni, will begin with the PDC distribution. I kindly request our today's chief guest, Shri Vipul Shah, to do the honors. I also request all the other dignitaries to kindly join. PG in Machine Design, Aditya Gorpade. Request everybody to put a round of applause. Anjali Vardai in absentia. Prajwal Bomadi in absentia. Now let us begin with the next set of PDC distribution for UG students. Abhishek Patil. I request the students to kindly stand according to their USN in the set of 15. Adin Jadhav. Aditi Joshi. Aditya Algundikar. Aishwarya Panchakshari Math. Aditya Suryavanshi. Akash Hegde. Akhilesh Verenekar. Akshay Patil. Amin Makandar, Anirudh Katti, Aradhana Sadar Joshi, Arun Haragabal, Ashwini Lohar, Basavraj Savalgi, Bhakti Ashtekar, Bharat Kuri, Chetan Thakkar, Chetan Kumar, Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. M.S. Patil, Principal KLS GIT, to do the honors. Chintamani Naik, Andrick D'Souza, he is the second rank holder for 2024 batch. I kindly request everybody to put a round of applause to every student. Gaurish Katti, Jatin Mulgund, Krishna Bhinge, Mahinder Patil, Mahinder Patil, Manav Bichu, in absentia, Namrata Kabe, Nitin Kashyap, Om Gwalkar, in absentia, Parag Kulkarni, Parvati, Prajwal Arli, Prajwal Meghannavar, Pranjal Vernekar, Praful Kadpati, Prasad Dodmani, Pushkar Gore, Rahul Patankar, Rahul Kamte, Rajat Hegde, Ravi Kumar Mathad, Sahana Vibhute, Sahil Raikar. He is the third rank holder for 2024 batch. Please put a round of applause to every student. Saish Sarsikar, Shantanu Hadgal, Shivanand Shilannavar, Shreyash Chaudhary, Srinidhi Joshi, Sindhu Seth, Saurabh Lande, Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Mahanteshan Nadkatti to do the honors. Sufyan Beg, Sumant Kulkarni, Suraj Rajput, Swati Nashipudi, Tanabai Rajput, Tejaswini Malalgi, Venkatesh Naik, Vinayak Shettar, Vinayak Shettar, Vineet Khatore, Viraj Patil, Warren Vegas, Yogesh Chaugula, यशवंत हुदार, Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Harshit Kulkarni, HOD Mechanical GIT, to do the honors. Ashia Khan, Abhishek Ambewadi, Aftab Jamandar, in absentia, Akhilesh Revankar, Akshay Marigeri, Aman Kamle, in absentia, Amrut Pujari, in absentia, Anant Bhatt Narayan, Anurag Patil. I kindly request everyone to put a round of applause to every student. Arun Rathod, Avinash Kalburgi, Bharat Jagmani, Danish Royle, Darshan Palankar, Dhyaneshwar Jadhav, Ganesh Belgaonkar, Girish Naik, Gaurish Patil, Govind Kamle, Gulam Jamaldar, Harish Kammar, Jagannath Usulkar, Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Anupama Kallol to do the honors. Junaid Sheikh Ali, Karthik Kuchnur, Karthik Mastamardi, Kaustubh Naik, Kavan Mane, Kayum Faniband. He is the first rank holder for 2024 batch in absentia. Ketan Kadimani, Kaustubh Poddar, Suraj Kulkarni, Mohammad Abukar Kazi in absentia, Mallikarjun Tubkad, Manjunath Kamble, Yash Mayekar in absentia, Mohammad Kaif Khatib, Mohammad Tariq Siddiqui, Musa Shapuri, Thank you, madam. I now request Dr. Shrikant Bapat to do the honors. Mohammad Aftab Gori Naik. Mullah Mohammad Faizan. In absentia, Mullah Nirzar. Nitish Patil. Om Kalghatgi. In absentia, Omkar Patil. Everybody please put a round of applause to every student. Omkar Jadhav. Omkar Karilingannavar. Prajwal Manwarkar. Prajwal Mirzakar. Prasad Kamati. Prasad Dikshit. Pratik Tigdimat. Pratham Jaugude. Prathamesh Patil. Raghavendra Nagamannavar. In absentia, Rakesh. Rakesh Terni. रोहन बेकवाडकर, रोहित पाटिल, रोहित जाधव, Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Ganesh Chate to do the honors. Rohit Pattar, Rohit Jadhav, Rohit Kage, रुचा धामने, ऋतुराज बेहरवाड़े, सागर महेंद्रकर, साईश नेगनालकर, समेद मुनवली, संकेत लक्कार, सतीश पाटिल, सौरव चोरगे, सैयद जमानदार, शरद कक्तीकर, शिवाजी गुरव, श्रेयस चौगले, Srinivas Kulkarni. In absentia, Shubham Kambhar. Siddhappa Genuche. Thank you, sir. I now call upon Sachin Kulkarni to do the honors. Dr. Sachin Kulkarni to do the honors. Siddharth Jadhav. Sohan Chaugle. Saurav Kudle. Shriram Bhosle. In absentia, Sushant Patil. Suyash Utturi. Swapnil Janagowda. Swapnil Kilekar. Swapnil Kadgaunkar. Sylvester Mascarenhas. Taukir Shapuri. Tejas Patil. तुषार मडिवाळकर. उमाकांत काकडे. In absentia, Umar Khan Pathan. Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Suraj Patil to do the honors. Vadiraj Jalikop. Venkatesh Tapdiya, Vijay Kumar Shinde, Vilas Karamallannavar, Vinayak Idgod, Vishal Karlekar, Vishal Raut, Vishal Saudagar, Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Tushar Haval to do the honors. Vivek Raj Malvade, Yash Yalgurkar, Yashodhar Ganachari, Abhinav R, in absentia, Aditya Desai, Anirudh Kulkarni in absentia, Ayush Kumar Salimat in absentia, Rishikesh in absentia, Maltesh Sungar in absentia, Omkar in absentia, Rajat Biradar in absentia, Ramchandra Mashalli in absentia, Sachin absentia, Shivraj Suryavamshi in absentia, Tejas Pandhari in absentia, Pramod Bonur Satyaprem in absentia. I thank all the dignitaries for doing the honors. Can we have a round of applause for all our graduates and their proud families, faculty and staff who have played an instrumental role in the success of our students. Congratulations, dear graduates.
I request few of our graduating students to come forward and give your feedback about your experience at Mechanical Engineering Department, KLS GIT.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. Esteemed guests, faculty members, proud parents, and my dear fellow graduates, I stand before you with filled with gratitude and sense of accomplishment. On behalf of the graduating class, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to everyone who has contributed to make this day possible. First and foremost, we extend our sincere gratitude to Almighty, His blessings upon us. I extend my thanks to our esteemed faculty members for their guidance and sharing of knowledge and shaping us into a proud engineers. Thank you very much. And I extend my thanks to my friends and my classmates. Thank you for the laughters, the study sessions, and the unforgettable memories we have shared. Last but not the least, I would like to share and thank the organizing team for this event for planning and executing. Your hard work has made this graduation ceremony a memorable occasion. As we embark into our new chapter in our lives, we carry this knowledge, skills, values instilled in us by this institution. We pledge to use our expertise to contribute positivity to the society and uphold the legacy of our department. Thank you once again to everyone who has been a part of this journey. May we contribute to learn, grow, and achieve new heights in the years to come. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I know everyone is hungry, so I won't take long. So 4 years ago, when I made the decision to choose mechanical as a discipline, I was a bit unclear so as to what the future holds and whether I will be having a good placement or no. But then I can say today, standing on this stage, that this department has proven to its standards and it has stood up to its mark. If I were to summarize this department so as to what makes it set apart from others, firstly, the faculty, the highly experienced faculty, most of them holding PhDs and some of them recently having gained PhDs, which indicates that they have an inclination towards improving their specific areas. And each one has their own unique way of explaining things, teaching to us, and we of course know each and every one of them the way they teach. So this has always given us an opportunity to explore more. They always have some projects or some paper publications going on, so they always invite us to be a part of this, and this makes them stand apart. Secondly, it is the curriculum. The curriculum not only focuses on the academics, but the overall development of a person, especially the technical clubs that we have at Department of Mechanical Engineering, the ASME, ASM. These departments help us to stand outside the curriculum, outside the academics, and explore the real world challenges, and that's really helpful for us in the placements. And lastly, I would say the infrastructure, the well-equipped labs, especially the fluid lab, which is my favorite. And very recently, the Center of Interdisciplinary Institute, which was opened. This indicates that the department is more inclined towards the latest technology and innovations, and the management has always supported them in achieving them. So lastly but not the least, I thank the KLS GIT management and the Department of Mechanical Engineering for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Moving on. Thank you, dear students, for your valuable feedback. I now request Dr. M.S. Patil, Principal GIT, to deliver the presidential remarks.
Namaskar and good afternoon to one and all present here. Respected members on the dais, the chief guest and alumnus of the first batch of mechanical engineering, Sri Vipul Shahji, director and owner of Maverick Success Engineering Technologies and ex-VP of the Bharat Forge. HOD of Mechanical Department, Dr. Harshit Kulkarni, Professor M.M. Nadkati, Dr. Kalo ma'am, dear parents, students, and faculty members and staff of Department of Mechanical Engineering. At the outset, let me congratulate all the students and more so the parents for the successful journey of your wards and the students and for completing B in Mechanical Engineering from KLS GIT. Yes, I am here to I'll not take much of a time just because in the feedback just was mentioned by one of our students that they are hungry and they need to move out of the hall. Therefore, I'll take a small time in just briefing you about the entire journey. If you just see our alumnus, he is a director owner of Maverick Success Engineering Technologies. If you just go back to the dictionary and just find out the meaning of this Maverick, it means that a person of independent thinking. And it is followed by success. Exactly, I think the word and the meanings really go in line with each other. Independent thinking and success, yes, naturally you have an independent thinking. If you have an out-of-box thinking, naturally success will be always there and the sky will be the limit. And that is the word what we should have. Yes, during your schoolings, during your college hours, during in your professional college at GIT, we have a set of boundaries. We have certain curriculum, we have the syllabuses. You need to go through that syllabus. We have the testing being done in between. That is, you have the internals, you have the quizzes, you have the semester examinations. Therefore, you are working under a certain framework. But now you are out of the colleges. Most of you are working in the corporate sectors. You might have seen and you might have experienced in this short duration of the time, in the corporate sectors, you have to work boundarylessly. There is no field. You need to be always prepared to learn. You need to be prepared for the lifelong learning. You need to be prepared to face the challenges. If you are not fit in that organizations. Yes, most of you may be taking the corporate sectors for your own journey. And as Sir told, yes, you do not have to shift frequently from one job to another job. The reason being, when you're going for the third or fourth job at very frequent intervals, after 1 year or 2 years jumping, the person who will be absorbing in for the fourth time, he'll be thinking whether should I or should not. Because he'll be thinking whether he'll be sticking to the organizations and all. Yes, but after a duration of time, about 7 or 8 years or 6 years, as mentioned, you need to build a grassroots level experience. By that time, you also build an entrepreneurial skills. By that time, also you have very good connect with the organizations. And next, naturally, you need to fly high in most of the organizations. You proceed in the same directions in the verticals, or you need to move out of the organizations. But yes, stay wherever you are there for a long duration of time. Take the experience and start moving ahead. Yes, hands-on plays a very important role. As mechanical engineers, we need to dirty our hands and dirty our clothes. Only then we start learning. And one of the very beautiful thing of mechanical engineering is, if you see electronics, if you see computers, you can't see anything. It is just imagination. Things happen. But in mechanical, you can see what you have done physically by your naked eyes. You can see how the things, what you have designed is working. I was just discussing with one of your own students, because after passing out, we are very lucky at GIT. The students, even if they are there for a day or two at GIT, where they are abroad or they are in place, they do visit the institutions. That shows the belongingness of the students towards the institutions. They come and discuss with us. And when we discuss with them, one of our students who was working was one of the very good organizations. He was a design engineer. A design engineer generally working with FEM and FEA packages, modeling and analysis. And I told only finally you have to do the modeling and analysis. But he told, no sir. In organizations, we have the modeling, the department just above the manufacturing department. Whatever we design, whatever we come up with the dimensions, I need to take that to the shop floor and see whether it can be fabricated and manufactured always. As a designer, I can fantasize, I can do whatever I want, but at the end of the day, it has to be manufactured. Therefore, manufacturing also plays a very important role. Therefore, it has coupled whatever I design, I go to the manufacturing section, I need to dirty my hands, I have to see the CNC programming. In some cases, I have to do the programming and see that what I have designed is able to manufacture. Or if not, I need to come back to my design table and do some modifications. Yes, hands-on plays a very important role in a practical life generally for mechanical engineering, because you can feel what you are doing it. Next is consistency. Consistency plays a very, very important role. Yes, there will be always ups and downs in the life. At some times you will be at the peak of your career. At some times you will be always low of your career also. Don't lose your confidence, because that is a part and parcel of the life. You need to take it ahead. By your experiences, you learn and move ahead. Next is keep on moving with the time. Whatever you have studied in the colleges is just not sufficient. In the colleges, you go not less than about nearly 20-25 courses. But in actual practical life, you'll be only dealing with 1 or 2 courses. This is a foundation that is laid in the colleges, and later on, you need to build up on those foundations and take it ahead. Just therefore, don't limit to the curriculum. Whatever has been taught in the colleges, it has to be a lifelong learning. You need to keep on learning to move ahead. New technologies, as rightly told, at GIT in mechanical engineering, we are doing very wonders. Since last year, we have tied up with Dassault Systems. We have our own EV lab. We have the 3D printing lab. The department and the college is moving ahead. At any point of time, you can come down to the colleges, kindly share your experiences. It will not only help the faculty members develop the facilities at the colleges, as well as you will be the role model for your own juniors, as sir is there standing in front of you as a role model to you. For I wish you all the best of the best career in your life, and congratulate both you and parents for the successful journey at KLS GIT, and thank all the parents for showing trust in GIT. Thank you one and all. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring words. I request Shri Vipul Shah to present the PDC to Mr. Shriram Bhosle. Thank you, dignitaries. To formally conclude our ceremony, I invite Dr. Anupama Kallor, AME Coordinator, Department of Mechanical Engineering, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Chief Guest of today's graduation day, Mr. Vipul Shah, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. I am feeling very happy and privileged to propose vote of thanks today. I express my gratitude to Mr. Vipul Shah for sparing his valuable time to grace this occasion and inspiring our students, young minds, mechanical engineers, with his address to the gathering. Thank you, sir. I express my sincere thanks to KLS Management, GIT Governing Council Management for motivating us to conduct such big events. Thank you. I thank our beloved principal, Dr. M.S. Patil, for his valuable suggestions and support. Thank you, sir. I thank Dr. Harshit, Head of the Department, Mechanical Engineering, for his support and encouragement. Thank you, Harshit.
In spite of having health issues,
Yeah.
made it happen.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, Harshit. My sincere thanks to all deans, HODs and faculty for attending the function and making this function a great success. Thank you. And I feel proud to thank my junior colleagues who are my students also, for organizing this graduation day so nicely and meticulously and systematically. Thank you. Thank you all. And I express my gratitude to all proud parents who have graced this occasion with their words. Thank you, parents. Congratulations and thank you all, my dear students, student friends present here and who have graduated. Thank you. Thank you all. Special thanks to all student volunteers, non-teaching staff to make this function successful. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. I request all to rise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Request all the students to assemble in front of college library for a group photo immediately after this function. All are informed to join us for lunch, which is arranged in front of Mechanical Engineering Department. Those we collect them from the MEC department office.